Choosing a career for the future can be a lot of fun, but sometimes a little scary. You have your degree, you have your interest in construction, and you want to see something come to life. And there are a lot of trades for you to choose from. So I'm going to ask, have you considered glazing? Not sure what that is? Let me show you. Glass and glazing is everywhere, from the mirror in your bathroom to your custom shower door, your wine cellar, and even all the windows in your house, all the way to the commercial projects like glass canopies and guardrails, wall systems, vestibules, and even the entire skin of a building. Glass shields us from the elements while allowing us to enjoy the view. In this industry, we're the trade that does it all. We fill in all of those large openings between the framing to make the building come to life. But just like any other trade, it takes a whole team of people to do this, from drafters and engineers, project managers, and an entire line of people manufacturing products, all coming together for one common goal. Our job is to worry about the functionality and performance of a building just as much as we worry about the way it looks. And because of that, we have to build with the environment and end user in mind. Thanks to that, our industry is always on the cutting edge of technology. We are at the forefront of developing solutions and products that not only minimize our carbon footprint, but also improve the health and comfort and safety of our clients while keeping the wildlife in mind. Okay, so now you know what glazing is. Now let's take a look at what it takes to be a part of our industry. It all starts here, a glass plant. This is where glass is born. Here, teams of mechanical and chemical engineers, scientists, and technicians work around the clock to develop all of the new glass products. They work hard to meet the growing demand for volume, performance, and safety. Backed by a huge team of production and logistics personnel, they supply the glass to the rest of the world. From your car, to your house, to the buildings around us, this is where the magic happens. From here, it goes to a facility like this one, known as a glass fabrication shop. Here, project managers, estimators, and engineers work with a team of glass experts and CNC operators to turn those large pieces of glass into the products we all know. From cutting to tempering, and laminating, and insulating, glass technology is constantly evolving. And that brings us here, the glazing contractor, where it all comes together. Here, project managers, estimators, and field crews work together with the GC and architect to make the whole vision come to life. From putting together the drawings to optimizing and ordering the materials, scheduling the installations, the team at a glazing company has their work cut out for them. Here, every screw and part is ordered, managed, and ultimately installed. Our industry is out there for everyone to just see and judge, but it's not easy. Our trade will challenge you to be creative, it's going to test your problem-solving skills, and it's going to keep you on your toes until the job is done. It's hard work and it demands the best. But when the job is done, you can stand proud in front of what you've built. So now that you've heard more about the glass industry, you might be wondering why you've never heard of it. We all walk past glass with little to no thought on how it got there. And that's because this industry has always been sort of an insider's club, passed on from one generation to another, a sort of secret. But in the last few years, our industry has grown beyond the available workforce. And not everyone's following their parents into the industry anymore. This has created a huge career opportunity for you, because you'd be entering a workforce that not only wants you, it needs you. So where do you start? It's easy. You sign up for Learnglazing's Emerge program. Our 40 to 50 hour training program is going to give you all of the basics of glazing, introduce you to the concepts and systems, as well as give you all of the terminology. Plus, once you complete our program, we're going to link you up with top recruiters in the industry to get your foot in the door. Now, more than ever, the trade that wraps every single skyscraper and fills in all the gaps is in dire need of your talent. All you need is drive and the foundation that our Emerge program is going to provide. The opportunities are there and the job openings are waiting for you. So if you want to know what it takes to change the skyline of the world, just join learnglazing.com and find out what it takes.